Exercise 4.2, second main question. Find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon of first one 9 sides, second one 15 sides. So before going to find each exterior angle of a regular polygon, we must know that what is a regular polygon. So regular polygon is nothing but polygons which are equiangular and equilateral. That means in a polygon all the sides are equal, then all angles are also equal. So it is said to be a regular polygon. Now here you see here, for example, you can take one square here. So square, all the four sides are equal, then all four angles are equal to 90 degree, then it is a regular polygon. Now in this question, find the measure of each exterior angle. So here exterior angle in this polygon, in this regular polygon, exterior angle means here outside angle. So this angle is said to be exterior angle. Now here also you take here, this is exterior angle. Here also we can take exterior angle. Now here also we can take exterior angle, outside angle. Exterior angle is nothing but a outside angle. Now here total 9 sides are there. In this question 9 sides. 9 sides of a regular polygon means it is a nonagon. Okay. So what is the each exterior angle of that regular polygon? Here we should find here. Now sum of all the exterior angle is equal to 360 degree. Sum of all the exterior angle is equal to 360 degree. To find each exterior angle, formula is here. Each exterior angle is equal to sum of exterior angle, sum of exterior angles divided by number of sides. Number of sides. How many sides are given in a regular polygon? That we have to take here. Then sum of exterior angle, that is 360 degree, whole divided by how many sides? This is first one what we are doing. Total 9 sides are there. So we can take a 9 here. 9 1 ja, 9 4 ja, 36, 0 here. So this is equal to 40. That means each exterior angle of a regular polygon, that is equal to 40 degree. Similarly, we will go to second point, second one. Same formula we can use here. So 360 degree, each exterior angle, same formula we can write. Each exterior angle is equal to sum of exterior angles divided by whole divided by number of sides. Number of sides. So this is equal to 360 degree divided by 15. Now reduce it. 5 table or 3 will take here. 3 5s are 15. Next 3 1s are, 3 2s are, then 0. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 2 remainder, 5 fours are 20. So this is equal to 24 degree. That means each exterior angle is equal to 24 degree. Second question here, how many sides does a regular polygon have if the measures of an exterior angle is 24 degree? In that regular polygon, exterior angle is 24 degrees there. Now here we should find how many sides that the regular polygon have, that we have to find here. Now we know that in the previous problem, in the second problem, we were done that. So one formula is there, each exterior angle is equal to sum of exterior angles whole divided by number of sides. We know this formula. Now we want number of sides, so here denominator number of sides, this we have to take to LHS side. Each exterior angle we should take to RHS side, it goes to denominator. Just you have to transpose like this. Okay, then it become number of sides is equal to sum of exterior angles whole divided by each exterior angle. Each exterior angle. So sum of exterior angle, that is 360 degree, whole divided by exterior angle, each exterior angle is given 24 degree. Now reduce it here, 2 ones are 2, 2s are 4, 2 ones are 2, 1 remainder here, 2 8s are 16, then 0. The next 2 6 are 12, 2 9s are 18, then 0. Then we can reduce by 3 table, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, then 0. 2 1s are 2, 15s are. That means here totally 15 sides. That regular polygon have 15 sides.